We've seen how to view the history of a repo. Now, let's examine how we can customize this to suit our needs. Git log is great, but the longer our project goes on, the more commits we will make, and the more difficult and time-consuming it will become to find what we are looking for. We have a few options for customizing the Git log output. We can restrict the number of commits displayed by including a dash followed by the number of commits. Here, we show the 3 most recent commits. Another option is to restrict the output to a specific file. Here, we include the file name report.md, which would restrict the output to the history of this file. We can even combine these two techniques. Here, we change into the data directory and display our CSV file's 2 most recent commits. We see both of these commits added more data to the file. Another way to restrict the Git log output is by date. Adding the --since equals flag followed by a date in single or double quotation marks shows only the commits since the specified date. We use the format of month, day, and year, where month is a 3-letter abbreviation, day is 1 or 2 digits, and year is 4 digits. For example, to see commits since the 2nd of April 2024, we execute git log --since equals April 2, 2024. We can add an end for the date range too. Here, we show commits between the 2nd and 11th of April 2024 by including the --until flag at the end, followed by the date range to filter on. The since and until flags are very flexible in the date and time formatting that they accept. We can use natural language, such as 2 weeks ago. We can also provide a date using a numeric format, like 07152024. While various date formats can be used, we recommend following ISO format 6801, providing year, month, then day, separated by hyphens. We should also check our system settings to avoid unexpected results, such as 12/06/2024 being 6th December or 12th June. We can also provide month in written format, either abbreviated or in full, such as 15 July 2024. Note that we must not use other characters here, such as commas. Suppose we have observed issues since a particular date. We need to see what changed in a specific commit on that day. We run git log and note the commit hash of interest. Generally, the first 8 to 10 characters of the hash are enough to be unique, so this is all we need. We can then use the git show command with a particular commit hash. The output displays the log entry for that commit at the top, followed by a diff output showing changes between the file in that commit and the current version in the repo. In the following video, we'll discuss diffs and how to interpret them. At the bottom, the added line appears to have data in the wrong order, with gender in the first column instead of the second. This looks like the source of the issue. Time to practice.